are you?
I'm so sorry.
Alright boys, so today, no vlog camera. We're kind of taking it a little easy today. So we came to this track 2 videos ago, I think, something like that. Everything went wrong. My Kawi was broken. I took Seth's bike, he's here with me. And I forgot the air filter at home, so I couldn't even ride. So this is redemption. Hope you guys are ready for a good time. There's a lot of people here at C-Class. Need an opening. The ruts are looking real spicy today. Oh, they made this into a double now? Interesting. This used to be like a dragon's back. Dude, there's some guy on like an old YZ, I think, like from the 80s. It's pretty cool.
Through the back, I think that looks super cool because I can feel myself like compressing the suspension and bouncing back up.
Wow. Nice.
I feel like I'm a
Yeah, I bet.
I look so cool.
Yeah, I'm sure you do.
Okay, fuck. Yeah, great.
Yeah, let's go into the video. Oh, it's an old Suzuki. That thing's sick. It's a big jump, dude. It's a rough landing, but that's okay. The track's fun, man. Landings are a little rough, but you know, it's not too bad. Alright boys, we're back out here on the track. It is absolutely freezing. It's definitely getting colder. Dude, that Suzuki's so sick. I'm trying to hit this tabletop. However, the ruts are like really weird. That guy swung like outside. Maybe I need to try that. That jump's weird, man. It's got a kicker on the top, so it's sketch. They went halfway. If you go faster, you're gonna case it and it's gonna hurt. It didn't look that bad though. Do you want to follow me over this? Or do you want to watch me hit it from behind and then follow me? You want to do that? Yeah. You ready? You want to do it? Puss! Come on! Come on, you got it. It's gonna be pretty, it's gonna be spicy 4th gear.
When I was doing it before, I was like, it won't be that bad. And then when I got like halfway, I'm like, I'm gonna make it halfway.
You'll be okay. Hold her wide, bud. Hold her wide. I want to hit that double over there, but I don't know. I don't want to push it today. I rode yesterday.
Yeah, I don't want to push it either.
I would hit it if I had someone to follow. You're following me over it, so you have the right speed.
When I followed you over just then, I was like, all right, I'm gonna follow him until the very end, and then you just fucking took off.
Hit it. You already cased it once. Now you just gotta make it.
Now my ankles hurt.
Sorry. Come on, hit it, you puss. Let's go. Don't think about it. Don't let it get into your head. This is not that big of a jump. It feels big, but I promise you, you'll be fine. You ready?
I crashed. I'm suing Ryan.
Let's go. Hopefully he'll hit it, but we'll see. All right, you ready? Why am I like nervous for him? He's getting into my head too. Well, he's on my ass, so he didn't crash. But the question is, did he hit it? Did you do it?
Yeah.
You did?
That was probably the highest I've ever done.
Did you make it? You can't let it. You were making me nervous because you were getting in my head. You can't let it get in your head. You want to hit it again? Let's go before they wave the flag. You got it now. This is easy work. Go a little farther so you don't land on the very top of it. Dude, I love electric start. People who are like, if you can't kick a bike, you shouldn't be riding motocross. They're so dumb, dude. Electric start is awesome. I'm gonna follow you. You go ahead. Stoppy! Uh-oh. I feel like I'm like nose high.
I am on the video, but in the video you're like...
Really?
You're pretty much perfect.
I felt like I did it there, like I went to a nose high.
Yeah, there you did it, because I thought you did it on purpose so you could brake tap it.
No, I didn't. I brake tapped because I was too high. Want to hit it side by side?
I'll try.
I don't know if I trust you. I'm gonna do it one more time. Ah, dang, dude. I stalled it. I'm a goober. Ah! I'm gonna try this inside wrap. Oh, it's deep. Oh, it's deep. Ah! Woo! Alright, boys, we are over here on the pit bike track. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. That was one of Seth's biggest jumps he's hit yet, so it was a fun time. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing. Let's hit the rut, set it up. That rut's so good. Until next time, peace.